What is up, YouTube? This is Jim with JimLopez.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI and Pinterest to promote your Amazon affiliate product. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to do it that will provide value and will not get you banned. And it's also a long-term strategy. So without further ado, let's get started. So I went ahead and started off here inside of Pinterest, and I went ahead and started with a keyword that I know is that has a high volume, which is meal prep glass containers. So this is what we want to target. I went ahead and used a tool like KW Finder to see that this is a keyword that has a lot of search. You can just also use Pinterest as a keyword research tool. So right here, I just started with meal prep, and then these are some of the the major keywords. So meal preps glass container. So we're going to target this word here. Pinterest is a visual search engine, so I'm just going to go ahead and give you an example. So from this keyword, we have these pins here. So we have the best glass meal prep container, 5 best meal prep containers. So I'm just going to go ahead and click it to show you what we're going to be trying to do. So this is the pin here, and if you click on it, it actually opens up a blog post where it talks about the 5 best containers, and then it has uh, affiliate links within this article. And some of these should be, as you can see right here, image from Amazon. Um, but like I said, I'm gonna show you the right way of doing this. As you can see, this is we can do a much better job than this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and close this one, and I'm gonna go back, and I'm just gonna show you another one. Let's go ahead and click on this one, and I'll go ahead and click on the link. And this is a different recipe, or excuse me, a different blog post. And as you can see, the best meal prep glass containers, and inside here there's links, and they'll have the Amazon product links. Get this on Amazon. So like I said, we're going to go ahead and use AI and do a much better job and save a lot of time. So let me go ahead and get started with that. Okay, we're going to go ahead and head over to SEO Writing AI. This is an AI writing tool that has a one-click blog post article generator. So the good thing is you can get started for free. You can get 5 articles, 5,000 words with the one click. Uh, so I'm going to go ahead and log into this. And right here, they have the one click blog post. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And the main keyword is I'm going to go ahead and put how to pick the best meal prep glass containers. So I'm going to generate a title. Choose the best meal prep gas containers. And like I said, this is a one-click blog post. We just have to fill out a little bit of information. So I'm going to do tone of voice, informative, point of view, first person. I'm going to fill out a little bit of this information here. I'm going to keep the article size small. I'll use the GPT 3.5, GPT 4. It gives you the ability to do grade level. So I'm just going to go 8th and 9th grade. So I'll leave that there. And then we'll go ahead and put a few images on here. We use 3. We won't do any YouTube videos. I'm going to generate some NLP keywords. And then I'm going to go ahead and introductory with the question. We do want a conclusion. We do want a table. So what we're doing right now is we're creating the article in the matter of just a few minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and click web-based, link sources, no, real time, yes. I'm going to go and create an outline. Use the magic bag. Okay, so here is a outline for this article. Choose the best meal prep containers, understanding the benefits of glass over plastic. So this is the outline for the article. It gives you the ability to publish it directly right onto the website. For this one, I'm just going to go ahead and run it so we can see the article. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, the article's ready. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. So we got the article here, 3,300 words, choosing the best meal prep glass containers. And this is the AI image it created. I got the key takeaways, and has the titles, the headings, and they also have tables. So right here, we're going to be able to add some of the Amazon affiliate products. and we're going to go ahead and put the links in this article here. And as I go down, there's a lot of different places where we can add Amazon affiliate links. So if you go over to Amazon, and here's the glass meal prep container, and once you set up an Amazon Associates account, you're going to have a site stripe where you're going to click the text here, and this is going to give you your affiliate link for this product. And if you were doing affiliate link for the entire page here, then you would hit the text for this one. So going back to the article, if you were going to do, let me go back to the top right here, best meal prep containers, which I already added the link. So if you click on this one, it's going to take you to this product there. Let me go ahead and go back here. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to edit, and we're going to add affiliate links. So you're going to go through this article here and grab some of the different products here and start adding these products within the article. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so here's an example of what it looks like. So you would have the review source, the name of the actual product, and then here's the actual link. So if they actually click on this link and they go to Amazon and they buy, then you get the commission. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna show you the preferred way that I like to do it. Either way, I'm gonna go ahead and move this article over to a blog post on my website. So let me go ahead and do that next, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so this is the article inside of my blog post on my website. So this is inside the actual website, and I'll go ahead and give you this is a preview. So choosing the best meal prep, we have the image, and then as you can see, we have the actual links throughout the article. So if I went ahead and just clicked on this, the best meal prep containers, it would bring me directly over to this Amazon product with my affiliate link. What I'm going to go ahead and show you now is the way I prefer to do it. You do have to use a paid tool, but like I said, I did want to give you a free version, which the way I just did it's the free version, but the way to do it with the paid tool, that paid tool is AAWP. I will put a link in the description for that product, but the way it works is I go ahead and add the AAWP, and right here we have the best sellers. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the best sellers, and I'm gonna do glass meal prep containers. And what it's going to go ahead and do is going to add the 10 best meal prep containers. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the preview article. I'm going to refresh it. And now what we have is bestseller number 1. We have the image here. We have the title. We have a description of the product. Here's bestseller number 2, bestseller number 3. So if somebody comes from Pinterest, they're going to read the first introductory paragraph and they're going to go right to the products. So we have, like I said, let me go down the list here. And as we go down, then we get to the article. So it's going to give you the bestsellers. It's going to have the real-time price, updated price. It'll have the buy on Amazon, and then you can click on the image, you can click on the title, and it will direct you. So if I went ahead and just clicked right here, it's going to go ahead and take me directly to that product on Amazon. So like I said, this is a paid tool, but it's a game changer for this Amazon affiliate blog post. If you're serious, you might want to consider that tool. But like I said, this is what the article would look like. And as you can see right away, when it brings them to the article, it goes straight to these products. And then if they actually wanted to come down and read more about the actual blog post, they can. But let's go ahead and head over to the next step. Now it's time to create the pin. So we're back over here on Pinterest. And then we're just going to go ahead and click on create pin. And then now we need an image for this. So I'm going to head over to Canva. And what I have is a project that already has 10 different designs. So all I do is, depending on what the pin is about. So right here for the actual text, I'm going to put best meal prep containers. And then you can customize the images inside of Canva. They have different images you can use. So if I wanted to use that one or whatever one I would like, these are all the images that you can use. So I would customize all these and I would save them so that I can use 5 to 10 for my pins. So I'm gonna go back over to Pinterest. I'm gonna go and upload, and I'm gonna pick one of the images I just created. So we have here the glass meal prep, best meal prep containers. So for the title description, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is once you post the article, you would copy the article link, and then you would go back into Pinterest, and then you would add it to you would pin it or add the link there. Of course, this one's just a preview, so I'm not going to do it. And then you would pick the different boards. So right here, I have all the different boards. So you want to have at least 5 to 10 different boards so you can put pinned to all your different boards. So I'm just going to go ahead and meal prep for weight loss board. And then for the title and description, you can use a tool like ChatGPT. So what I went ahead and did here is I said, give me 5 titles and description for the Pinterest pins. So we have Master Meal Prep, Top Glass Containers Reviewed. So I'm just let's go ahead and copy that and then head back over to Pinterest. That's going to be the title. And then for the description, I'll go ahead and grab the description, copy that, and then paste it. So one of the things you can do is you can publish it. One of the recommendations is that you can publish it at a later date. So this is something that you got to continuously post these type of pins, so you can schedule them where you can do one a day for 7 days, and then like that you can build up so that every day you're posting. There's also other tools like Tailwind that you can use, but this is one of the ways you can manually do it. So you have the image, you got the title, you got the description, you got your link, and this one doesn't violate any policies for Pinterest or Amazon. When it comes to the actual blog, the images that are used here are used through the AAWP plugin. So you're able to use those images. And then the same thing for Pinterest. We're not directly pinning or linking to an affiliate. Like, it's not going directly to Amazon. We're going to the article where then somebody would click on this link here, which would then take them to Amazon. So this is the way you would use AI writing tool, SEO Writing AI, and to promote your affiliate links. As you can see, you can quickly, easily write an article, and then with the tool, the plugin AWP, you can just add the top 10 best sellers, and you don't have to add the links. And that quickly, you can see this article is much better than some of the original ones that we looked at on Pinterest with that keyword. So go ahead and follow these steps to be successful on Pinterest. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor, hit that like, subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And I have videos on both SEO writing and AAWP. So I'll go ahead and link those in the description if you want to check those videos out. Thanks again, and I will see you on the next one.